다슬기 잡기에 나선 할머니.
거기 있다고? William said there's one down there. He can see it.
Can you see that one there? That one there?
Oh! William, 네가 봤지?
Yay! Good boy, good boy. Yay! Daddy taking
William! William! William!
Take it off.
물놀이 후 출출함을 날려줄 백숙한상. 과연 호주 할머니도 좋아하실까요?
Wow. Wow.
So, here in Korea, when the weather's hot,
Yeah.
you come to places like this.
Yeah.
It's called a gegok.
Get got. Get got.
Come down here and eat and maybe have a drink of like rice wine.
Oh, rice wine.
Your favorite. Maybe let it cool down a bit.
Yeah.
William.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh.
William. Come on. Mama?
Mama.
Yeah. Mama. William. Mama. 할매 마마. 맛있어? 할매 주니까 맛있어?
Hey. Can I have some more?
와, 다 컸어 이제. 다 건져 먹고.
Seafood
이렇게.
pancake.
윌리엄.
I'm gonna try kimchi.
자, 이거 네 입에 들어가면 매울 거야. 맛있어? 윌리엄, 잠깐만. 잠깐만. 아이, 아빠야. 잠깐, 스탑. 잠깐, 스탑. 지금 애기 2명 같이 있는 것 같아요. 할머니 왜 이래? 할머니 웃기지?
Oh, spicy, hot.
What's it like coming to the 계곡?
I like it. I like it on a hot day because it's so cool, isn't it? I like to put my feet in the water and paddle.
So did I used to like the water when I was his age?
Daddy liked the water too. Yay! What's that? Look at Daddy.
william, 목말라? 목말라? 윌리엄 한번 해볼까? 윌리엄 한번 해봐. 이리 와. 윌리엄. 머리 위로 말고.
장난꾸러기 쌤아빠 덕분에 감쪽 같은 작품이 탄생했네요.